Dear students, most of you are planning to appear in the GATE exam for next session, but a common doubt, a common problem, to which institute you should join to continue your GATE preparation. That is common piece of anxiety among the students. But don't worry, you are at right place. GATE Zeal is India's topmost institution for the preparation of GATE CSE exam. We have been working in this field for more than 20 years. Our experience and expertise have benefited a number of students, and every year we have given toppers. Once again, we are going to start the new batch of zealous students who want to fulfill their dreams by getting admitted in the topmost institutes like IITs and IIITs, and further want to join the big MNCs like Microsoft, Amazon, Google. Admissions are now open for GATE CSIT. The regular offline classroom course is starting from 15th Feb 2021. You can register yourself to take admission in this batch. In our regular offline classes, you will get offline classes plus recorded lectures on web and our app, plus practice materials with their solutions. In our practice booklet, you will get thousands of questions for every subjects. We understand the importance of mock test, so we have the test series for GATE 2022 free for registered students. We have 75 plus practice tests in our test series with approximately 3000 practice questions. And don't worry, you don't have to take the tensions for whether you are able to solve the queries or not. You will get regular doubt discussion session in one-to-one offline mode, plus our app-based mode, plus on our Facebook group. We have a dedicated team for solving your queries. They will resolve your queries just within 3 or 4 working hours. The students will also get benefit of group discount. Our team is always available for students for personalized and post-examination support. All these facilities are available to you at very economical price, which will help you to secure a very good rank in GATE. The fees structure for our batch is as follows. Don't wait and join now India's best institute for CSIT. Learn with the topmost and most experienced faculties. For registration, you can call us on given numbers. You can also register on our website to take the admission in our offline batches.